Hello, welcome to Car DIY. I want to do a quick video on how to replace the indicator bulb on a Toyota Avensis T27. And it's really quite simple. This is it up here. You just need a small little screwdriver. You push the clip in here like so, in like this, and then this just pops off like so. And once you have that done, then you need to push this to the right, and then it just pops out like so. And then when you're putting it back in, just do the opposite. Put it away, put it in there like that, and use the screwdriver, push it back, and then reconnect the wire. And that's it. That's as simple as that. That's how you change the front indicator bulb on the Toyota Avensis T27.